Hey guys, welcome back to Integrating Every Day Until We Reach 1000 Days. Today is going to be probably my final day on this channel. Unless in the future Anshul appoints me again to integrate for you guys because he's lazy. So, today's integral is going to be much simpler than yesterday's integral. We're going to have e raised to 2x divided by e raised to x dx. Now, when you look at e raised to x, you know that it's its own derivative. So, it's going to be much easier if we take u equal to e raised to x. Then we'll get that du is equal to e raised to x dx, which implies that dx is equal to 1 by u du. So, all we have to do now is just integrate 1 divided by u square minus 1 times 1 by u du. But now this is going to be a problem because, it's going to be u square minus u. This is going to be a problem because it's going to be the integral of 1 by u square times u minus 1, which you can't do partial fractions the normal way. For the partial fractions for this, you're going to be writing it as 1 by u square times u minus 1 is equal to a divided by u plus b divided by u squared, since there's a squared term. If it was u minus 1 whole square, we'd write u minus 1 plus b by u minus 1 whole square. But since it's just u, we'll write these terms. So we do plus c minus u minus 1. So all we have to do now is just multiply the denominator on both sides. We get 1 is equal to au times u minus 1 plus b times u minus 1 plus c times u square. So if we put u equal to 0, what happens is 1 is equal to 0 plus negative b plus 0. So b is equal to negative 1. So if u equal to 1, we get 1 is equal to 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0, so a still becomes 0, plus now this will again become 0 plus c times 1 square. Therefore c is also equal to 1. Now we have our equation and we'll substitute in the values we know for b and c. 1 is equal to au times u minus 1 plus u minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 times u square. And so we just have to pick a simple number to get the value of a. So let's let u equal to 2. We'll have 1 is equal to a times 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 times negative 1 plus 1 times 2 square. So 1 is equal to 2a minus 1 plus 4. Therefore, a is also equal to negative 1. Now, all we have to do is just plug in our constants and just integrate. So we have the integral of 1 divided by u square times u minus 1 du is just equal to the integral of minus 1 over u minus 1 over u square plus 1 by u minus 1 du. So now, instead of just splitting the integrals and doing them, we already know their formulas. This is going to be the negative natural log of the absolute value of u plus, now this is just a simple power rule. It's u raised to minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, which is just negative 1. So there's a negative already outside here. So the negative 1 divided by negative 1 becomes positive 1. So we have plus 1 by u. And then this final term is just the natural log of u minus 1 plus or minus c. Now all we have to do is substitute u equal to e raised to x like we did here to get negative ln of e raised to x plus 1 over e raised to x plus ln of e raised to x minus 1 plus or minus c. And if you want to simplify the answer, it'll just become this becomes 1 by, this becomes negative x plus e raised to negative x plus ln of e raised to x minus 1 plus or minus c. That is our final answer for today's integral. Thank you.